subscribe, comment down below and hit the notification bell. 5 exercises to lose belly fat. If you have watched our other videos, you will know you can't target belly fat. What you can do is give your whole body a great workout. This is the most effective way to target body fat. We can sculpt the muscle groups and blast away the fatty layers that cover the muscles. In this video, we're going to go over some of the best fat fighting exercises. The flat belly is quite an achievement for many people and a badge of honor. The washboard stomach that some people have is often a hugely sought after fitness goal, as living proof of endless dedication in the gym and the kitchen. However, it's not out of the realm of possibility for most of us to achieve similar results. Having a strong and sculpted core isn't just good aesthetically. It also has other benefits like being stronger, less prone to injury, and so on. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to getting rid of belly fat. There are, however, things that we can do to improve and optimize our results. In this video, we're going to cover some of the best exercises for you to include in your workout. We want to torch that belly and sculpt those muscles beneath. Before we get into those exercises, let's clear up one thing. Doing thousands of reps of crunches isn't going to achieve much. You simply won't see those muscles unless you burn away the layers of body fat above them. Of course, abdominal exercises will help strengthen and sculpt your abs. Really though, they have little impact on your belly fat. This is what we need to target and really get rid of if we want our abs to show. One other thing, spot reduction or targeting body fat in one area just simply doesn't happen. We have no real control over where the body fat comes from. What we do have control over is the amount of overall body fat. Our best chances are to utilize and include the most powerful exercises to bring those levels of body fat down. So, let's get into it. 5 great exercises for burning belly fat. The burpee. If you want to burn off that belly, we need to work as many muscles as possible. This explosive exercise is one of the best you can use. From a push-up position to a jump and then back down into our push-up position. You are hitting every muscle in your body. Head to toe, these are hard work, but seriously worth it and will really ramp up your results. There is a study showing that 10 fast-paced reps are just as good at ramping up your metabolism as a 30-second sprint. I know which I would rather do, the burpees. Mountain climbers. These are your variation of a plank with added momentum and explosiveness. Your core will be working overtime through this movement whilst you're keeping your body stable and straight. Stabilizing with all of your muscles to keep your body in a good position as you lift your foot off the floor and switch between feet. Basically, you're performing a mini crunch with explosive power each time you draw your knee to your chest. This is a great exercise to do in intervals, turning it into a serious conditioning exercise with huge benefits. Increasing your heart rate and burning a large number of calories whilst targeting all of those abdominal muscles. The kettlebell swing. This movement and exercise is a proven and time-tested favorite, possibly being one of the best calorie torching exercises of all time. Engaging many fat-burning muscle groups like your glutes, hips, and quads. It's an explosive movement which will increase your heart rate and conditions the whole body, giving your core an amazing workout as well as ramping up your metabolism for great gains. The momentum of the bell will try to pull your body forwards. You have to resist using your abs and your full body. You fight against that momentum. You generate power and momentum from the hips and the glutes. Now these two elements combined is what creates a really powerful weapon for burning fat and conditioning the body. Next, the battle ropes. Incredibly versatile, great for conditioning and can be used to target the whole body. This exercise can not only burn serious numbers of calories, it's fantastic for torching fat and sculpting a great physique. Another great thing about the battle ropes, you can mix up the movements so easily. alternating from speed to power and more. Sprints. When looking to drop weight, burn fat and even build muscle, there are few exercises better than short bursts of high intensity cardio. Yes, they are hell, absolutely. The payoff though is huge. Forget long 5Ks and start to introduce HIIT training into your workouts. HIIT training using sprints can not only burn serious calories and keep burning them after your training session has finished, it can really ramp up the levels of hormones, which all have a positive effect on this goal. So, the next time you're heading to the gym and wanting to torch some serious body fat, think of these 5 exercises and throw them into your workouts to get some serious bang for your buck. Throw out the long, hellish, traditional training methods of long bouts of cardio and get these exercises instead. Thanks for watching the Fitness Hub. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. See you next time.